As in, like, it's not a camera.
No.
This is, hey!
Hey! We are paintballing.
And we're in the war.
A serious war.
And we have our
Look
little
at
friends.
Yeah, I broke it. Look at this. Awesome, isn't it?
How'd you break it?
I don't know. Someone sat on it.
Badass.
I know. It wasn't me. I don't know if it's going.
I know, they're all like, oh.
Say hi to the camera. Tell him where you got shot at.
There. There. And there.
Is that a camera or is it?
Yeah, I broke it. So the screen doesn't.
How do you make it tighter?
My parents. Yeah, it is. My parents don't know it's broken yet.
What's the screen?
Yeah.
You can't ever see what stuff looks like?
No, until you put it on the camera or the computer.
So I've been standing on this one